Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. As I promised you in my last video, I was going to show you an easier way how to make guava jam. So here it is for you. For this recipe, I'm using frozen guava pulp that I thawed out. I really love this one. The flavor is so good. And this is a different type of guava, that's why it looks like this. Not only is the flavor more prominent in this type of guava, but this saves me an extra step or two by using the frozen pulp. Now I'm going to add some white sugar to that and some lime juice. You can use a fresh lime if you want to. By the way, this is pure lime juice. This is not the juice from concentrate. Now I'm going to stir this until the sugar dissolves, and I'm not stirring it a whole lot in the beginning just because I don't need to, but when it starts to get thick, then I'm going to keep on stirring it. This doesn't take long to cook. This only took me about 20 minutes from start to finish. While my jam was cooking, I had my bottle sitting in some hot water. And the reason I do that is so when I put the hot jam in it, it won't break. After I took those out, I put the lids in and kept them in there until I was ready for it. So as you can see, for this recipe, I didn't have any leftovers. It fit perfectly in both jars. I love this handy dandy little tool to pick up the lids. Oh my goodness, before I was scraping the bottom of my pot, so if you're ever making jam, be sure to get one of those. Now when you seal the jars, you don't want to seal it too tight, just fingertip tight. Now I'm going to put them back in the hot water, and I'm going to let them boil for 20 minutes to process. For those of you who don't know, the reason you process your jam is so that it have a longer shelf life. So it can last anywhere from 6 months to a year. But who am I kidding? I mean, this jam won't last that long in my house. The way to tell that your jars have sealed properly is after you take them out of the water, you hear the lids pop. Sometimes it will happen right away and sometimes it won't, so you'll just have to listen for it. This is what it looks like the next day. I let it cool down completely overnight. And oh my goodness, I need some tortilla again, but I don't have any, so I'm just gonna put it on a piece of bread. I so wish you guys could taste this. It's delicious. Like I said before, with this type of guava, the flavor is more prominent. So if you could get your hands on this one, get this first. If not, then you'll just have to use the other one. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.